You don't have to go out and buy new soil. You can just use your old soil and just power it up with nitrogen, potassium, banana peels, any kitchen scraps you have. Just take that soil, mix it with some bone meal, and just power it up. It's just gonna give it more nutrition in your soil. So don't throw your soil away. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am T. If you're new here, I am growing in New Orleans, zone 9B. And if you're a returning visitor, welcome back. So on today's video, I will be showing you guys how I power up my old used soil into some rich nutrition soil. And I'm gonna show you guys step by step what I use. Here, this is a pot I have with some old soil in it, and I've already planted some tomatoes in this and a few flowers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I reuse this soil. Old soil I'm going to dump in here. See? I'm going to take see those roots? I'm taking them out. Once soil is used, it takes away all the nutrition that's in the soil. So what I'm doing is I am going to put the nutrition back in the soil, and we're going to power up the soil again so we can reuse it again. This is all the roots from an old tomato plant I had in this soil. Okay, so in this bin here, I have some compost. I have been sitting for a while, for at least 2 years. This is some compost I made. So we're gonna add that in there. We still have some a nice drainage, more nutrition. And with my compost, I use kitchen scraps. So we have all that nutrition back in there. And what I also use a little bone meal in. Bone meal helps with that strong root development. Still got a bunch of sticks in from that compost. Didn't break all the way down, but that's okay because it's. And a bonus tip, I do put coffee grinds inside of my soil as well. We're gonna mix that up. Look at that, rich soil. And to top that off, I wanna add me some banana water to make that soil a little loose. There we go. And now I'm gonna go ahead over to my my raised bed, and we're gonna add some of this new soil I made inside of the raised bed. Okay guys, so y'all see this is the raised bed. Y'all see the difference between this soil I just made and this soil. This soil is all dried and need new nutrition and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this new soil to the old soil. I'm going to plant my zucchini plant right here in this spot. This is the zucchini. Add some more of that bone meal to it. Put that label on it. And I do have some old banana peels I'm about to bury. Yep, I do that too. So I take the banana peels, bury it deep as you can. Bananas is rich in potassium, so that's going to decompose down in that soil, and it's going to give some more nutrition. Coffee grinds. This is the coffee grinds I got from Starbucks for free. Use coffee grinds from Starbucks. If you want your free coffee grinds from Starbucks, check with your local Starbucks. And I just pour that in there. Blend it in with that soil. As we all know, coffee grinds is rich in nitrogen, helps with leafy greens. So, and the reason why I'm putting extra coffee grinds for right now is because I will be planting my cabbage in this bed and my greens in this bed. So we all know cabbage and greens and lettuce need lots of nitrogen for leafy greens. So yeah, that's why I use extra coffee grinds. All right, that's the zucchini I just planted. But I'm gonna show you guys. You see how rich that soil is? That's some good soil, y'all. And I'm gonna go on this other side where I need to, versus this side. See that soil? You see how dry and dead it look? And look at that black soil over there. Black magic. Yep, you can definitely tell the difference. I'm gonna go ahead on and add me some more nutrition under my okras. I got 3 okras here. And the rest, all the rest of this area is going to be, just like I said, my cabbage, greens in this area, and my lettuce. All right, guys, this is another method I use for to keep my soil with nutrition. I take a old, let me take that out of here for you guys so you can see. I take an old Folgers can, or it can be a bigger can if you like, with whatever you prefer. I take and put the whole inside of the soil compost bin. I do have holes at the bottom for drainage. So what I do is, this is my kitchen scraps. They have coffee grinds in here. I have like old kitchen scraps, carrots, anything you name, I have it in here. You can use anything. And I fill it up. I also have banana peels in here. And I fill it up just like that. And when I come out to water, all that is going to decompose. And when I come out to water, it's up too. And what it do is it slow release all that nutrition back into the soil. And I take my top, put that top over it, and every day I come and I water. And that's another way I keep my soil with that nutrition. That's my little compost bin. I do have this area as well that I'm gonna have. This was an area for my my watermelon patch, and I do have this area right here that I'm going to start putting my my cabbage, my greens, lettuce, and everything in this area. So I got room. I just need to spruce up power up that soil. Whew. All right, guys, I think I am done for today. The mosquitoes coming out, tearing me up. But it's okay. It's okay. I got my job done for the day, and I did something productive in my garden. So, as always, thank you so much for watching my video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new here now. I got a lot of viewers, but they're not subscribed to my channel. So subscribe, guys. Support your girl. Like the video. That's how the algorithm works, and you know that. So I can shoot out some more content for y'all, because as always, we in this together and we growing together. We a nice big community, and we all we got, and we all in this together. So thank you so much, and y'all have a wonderful, blessed evening. Bye bye.